Hello, it's your favorite 237 Chef Vibes with the best of kitchen recipe. Today we have in our menu one of the best restaurant style mixed fried rice that you can ever get. And this one, you will be making this one right at the comfort of your kitchen. So if you are a fan of mixed fried rice, chicken fried rice or beef fried rice, then this video is for you. Without any waste of time, let me show you how to make this. If you are new in my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get notification. And please try this recipe and make sure you comment down below. Let's go.
So we just 3 to 4 cup of water. We are putting half tablespoon of salt. Get your cooking oil. One tablespoon of cooking oil. Then two cups of basmati rice. Just stir the rice and let the rice cook. While the rice is cooking, we'll need to start preparing the other ingredients. Don't worry about the water, because still when the rice is cooked we are going to strain the water. So we just let the rice cook while we prepare the other ingredients. So we'll get already 1 cup of our red beef. All should be boneless. The chicken is boneless and the beef is boneless. You can make it slice or you can make it dice, as you wish. So first thing we need to do now is to marinate this one and keep for some time, for at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes before we use. Just half teaspoon of black pepper, both of them same for the marination. Then salt also. The salt is half teaspoon. Half teaspoon also for the chicken. The soya sauce, half tablespoon, and half tablespoon also. Our marination is ready. So just need to mix very well. The same thing with the beef. Mix well all the ingredients together. Or keep the marination for some time. Before we finish with the other ingredients, it will be ready. We have just onion, half cup of onion. And then we have green onion also. This green onion, we divide the green onion into 2 parts. Just the green section of the leaves, we put it separate. Then the white part also we put it separate. Combined also will be half cup of green onion. Then with 2 tablespoons of garlic. Then capsicum green or your green bell, just like 1/4 cup. For the veggies, this is a combination of shredded corn, carrots, green beans and green peas. This totally is 2 cups. So we will need to start combining all these ingredients together. Just check your rice from time to time. Make sure it's cooked. So the rice is cooked already. We just need to strain the rice now and let it cool. Then we continue. If you wish to join both the beef and the chicken, no problem, because all of them still will be combined together. But I prefer to make it separate.
Green one on the base.
Just 1 tablespoon. Just 1 tablespoon of the cooking oil. Make sure you are on a medium heat because we need to saute the veggies. I'll start with the garlic. You can add your onion as well. Then the green beans. And we are adding also the white part of the green onion. After you saute all the veggies, you just need to add the beef. Include the chicken. Load the egg also. Then lastly, the rice. Half teaspoon of table salt.
Green one on bricks.
Two tablespoons of soya sauce. Then lastly, we are adding half tablespoon of white pepper. Our fried rice, it's almost done. The fried rice, it's ready to eat, ready to serve. Lastly, the green onion you can just sprinkle up. And you cook it.
Please, if you are new in my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that each time I upload another beautiful recipe like this one, you will get notification. Please make sure you try this recipe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Let's go. This is amazing, delicious, fantabulous.